Out of the 5 motorcycles I mentioned yesterday in my quest to purchase a 4th motorcycle, it has come down to 2 motorcycles.
Let's go for a ride. You are watching CycleCruza's all-in-one motorcycle channel. Subscribe today. Continually video suggestions, but you may find what you're looking for by visiting my website at CycleCruza.com and click on the menu tab My Videos. And those are a bunch of playlists with all of my videos categorized in them to make it easier for you to navigate through.
I made a huge mistake in yesterday's video. I provided way too many details on that deal I had in Canada for that Ducati Panigale 1299S, and I believe one of you viewers stole that deal from me because I failed to give a deposit to the buyer. But you know what? I'm not mad at you because I didn't want to have to deal with transferring that Canadian title over to an Ohio title anyhow and dealing with the customs border issue. It was tough to find a shipper that would ship it from Canada to here to Ohio because the weather's bad right now. So that's okay. And I really didn't want to add another super bike to the garage. I wanted to add a Street Fighter. So I hope you got a good bike. But anyways, it has come down to 2 bikes out of the 5 bikes that I mentioned in yesterday's video. It has come down to either a leftover new 2018 KTM 1290 Super Duke R or a 2017 Aprilia Tuono factory that has like 700 miles on it. The reason why I'm going with that bike that's slightly used is because it will save me $2,200 compared to a leftover new 2018 Tuono. And also the bike is already broke in, so as soon as I get the bike, I can crank the heck out of the throttle. The first service is already done as well if I decide to go for the Aprilia. Like I said, I'm having a tough choice, either KTM or the Aprilia, but I will be buying one of those bikes tomorrow if everything works out okay. I probably won't get the bike until about a week or so because it has to be shipped. It's probably going to be coming from out of state. So I want you to vote on which bike I should get. I'll include, there's a box here at the top right corner. Just click on it and vote on which bike I should get and leave a comment on, why I should get whatever bike you think I should get. It's a really tough choice. I've been trying to choose between those 2 bikes for like the last 3 years, man. I've seen a ton of videos, forum posts, news reports. Man, every shootout has praised the Tuono. It has won the shootout the last 3 years. Everybody praises the V4 on the Tuono. A lot of people love the KTM. So I don't know. It's a tough choice, man. So we'll see how it works out. But I'll tell you this, guys, for my 4th motorcycle, I don't plan on keeping it for any longer than 6 months. I want to change my 4th motorcycle every 6 months so that I can provide more content on my channel with different bikes. I think it's better that way, because I can't rent a motorcycle, for a period of time. You can't do it. So I have to buy it and then, sell it and then buy another one. But I'll tell you guys, you don't get to really know a motorcycle unless you ride it and live with it for a period of time. A good analogy would be like going on a date with that person, and you're not going to know that person in one date. It's going to take a while, a period of time to truly know that person, especially you need to live with them to really get to know that person. Believe me, I tell you. And same with the motorcycle, man. So with my channel, you're going to be getting content with new bikes and really get to understand and know these bikes, like I have so far with these. But I've still got a bunch of videos to do on this bike, and this is the most fun bike that I've had in this garage so far. Woo! Thing is a beast! Woo-hoo! Woo! Good times, baby! This thing is absolutely amazing. This 2019 Yamaha YZ450FX that I converted to Supermoto. I did a build series on it. If you haven't seen it, I'll include that video link in the description and comment section of this video to the build series. This thing is an absolute monster beast, man. The download power and lightweight, like 260 pounds, man. Woo! Bro, this thing is amazing, man. Power wheelies in every gear. I can't wait to throw dirt wheels on it and take it to the motocross track, take it on the trails. And I tell you, this is your all-in-one bike right here, man. Absolutely amazing. Sorry, WR250R, man. I love you, but this bike is the king of the garage right here. Queen of the garage, should I say. And I love you, CBR1000RR, absolutely amazing. But the YZ is the queen of the garage. She is awesome. But anyways, guys, hey, for those of you guys that want to get an awesome fold-up trailer, man, this thing is absolutely amazing. It takes up very little space, as you can see here. I did a full review on it in the past. And if you want to get, I'll include a link in the description and comment section of this video. And if you want to get my gear, you know, my camo pants, my boots, gloves, my new helmets, leather jackets, all my stuff, I always include links in the description and comment section of my videos, or go to my website at CycleCruza.com, click on the menu tab, My Gear, and that's links to all my stuff.
Hit thumbs up, check out my playlist for new riders and popular videos. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and check out my other channel, Bug Out Moto, where I customize a van for my motorcycle so I can live in my van with my motorcycle and travel across the country anywhere. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bug Out Moto.